Hey guys, it's Diego from Takeoff Trading, and I want to show you guys what is happening with oil and the S&P 500 right now, because I think it is very interesting. And first, I want to start with oil because oil is treating me right today. So, basically, what happened, and the reason why I took the trade that you saw right now was because of this daily low. Both of the trades were based on that daily low, because if you go on the 1 minute, which is what I trade every morning from 8:30 to whenever I'm done trading, I saw that there was a 5 minute imbalance as well as a 1 minute imbalance right here, a break of structure, which is basically the manipulation move, and as well as a reaction off of that 5 minute, which you can see over here, and we have over here basically, I guess you could say in a engulfing candle, but I never use that. But it came back into inverse fair value gap, which I had right here, which I'll mark it for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. We had an inverse fair value gap. We tapped into it. We reacted off of it, and right out of that reaction, I got in. So basically, I took it. I took it all the way to the low, and then I basically had a 40 tick stop, and then I took it all the way to the low. And then right when I hit the low, which is this low I've been looking at for basically a month now. So I've been waiting for this move to happen for like a month, which basically I wanted it to come into here, and I wanted to have a displacement, and then right when we had that displacement, I want to see a fair value gap get filled, but we didn't have that. So I'm completely fine with taking a displacement. You don't necessarily have to fill a fair value gap, but over here, when we were in the sell algorithmic orders, basically the algorithm was selling and trying to get these orders down here, but all these bearish P arrays were getting respected, every single one of them. Every single one of them were getting this respected. Over here they were getting respected, as you can see. Over here they were getting respected, over here especially, and all of this was overnight. So what I saw is over here on the 1 minute time frame, right above that low, we had this 1 minute, and in this candle right here we disrespected it. And I was like, honestly, that's enough confidence for me, because yes, you could have a fair value gap get disrespected and not necessarily be a displacement, like a confluence for it to go higher. But since this is paired with the daily low, then it is a very good confluence for me. So I took it right when we disrespected it, and right now we are like floating in $600 profit, or 570, and I want to take it all the way to this high, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. Hey guys, so this is the following video, stitched to the other video, and I just wanted to say, I'm done trading for the day. I made, let me see how much I made today. I made 1,670 dollars today, and I think I did pretty good today. I think for sure, because you can see here in ES, I did not want to trade S&P 500 today or NASDAQ, because the whole London session, overnight session, has been very, very bullish. And the previous video, I forgot to show you guys what I thought about S&P 500. And honestly, I do really think that we are absolutely going to pump back up to these highs. I have other videos in my YouTube channel where I said that we were going to come up here. Once we swept this low, we're going to go all the way rally here, or this one come all the way up rally here. But I am very, very confident that we will not, that we will actually go to these highs from here, because first of all, we had very strong displacement from this low. The same thing that happened with oil and the lower time frame. I'm saying the 1 minute time frame. The same thing that happened there, which is basically right here. Look, this was a daily low that got swept, and look at the displacement that happened. The same trade I took today. But since price is fractal, and since price, you could trade, you could invest money using this strategy. You could trade on a 30-second time frame. You could trade on a weekly time frame. You could trade on a monthly. You could trade on a 15-minute. Price is fractal. The markets are fractal. So I did not want to trade the S&P 500 today because we already had a big move in the overnight session, and every time that happens I want to step away because the move already happened and you will not really catch a good trade. With oil, you don't really have that problem. Oil was chopping around London, and then New York session came around, and I'm gonna put you guys on some sauce, which is I only trade from 8:30 to around 11 if I don't see a good setup. And as you can see, this works. This works very well. And honestly, like, I think this is one of the best videos you guys will ever watch. I think this video will change your life if you actually put this into practice. And this is the last time I'm gonna say this until maybe like 2025. I'm not gonna tell anyone about oil. I'm not gonna tell anyone. I only told my friend, and this is the only video I'm gonna say this in. But yeah, I really do think I'm only gonna trade oil now. I'm only gonna be like the oil sniper. I really do like oil. I might trade indices if I see something good. If I don't like oil, because sometimes indices do trade better than oil and gold as well. But I really do primarily want to focus on oil. And yeah, that's basically the video. Thank you guys for watching.